California boasts of being home to most of the wealthiest people in the world. Silicon Valley and Hollywood have enabled this. These expensive homes are located in California's most posh neighborhoods like Beverly Hills, Bel Air, and Holmby Hills. You will find mansions with indoor pools sitting on enormous pieces of land and featuring numerous bedrooms and bathrooms. Basically, we are talking of living in extraordinary places. Today's video will take a deep dive into the most expensive homes in California. But first, like this video and subscribe to our channel. When we talk of expensive, then it has to be luxurious. These homeowners are movie stars, politicians, entrepreneurs, and a slew of other important people. We will look at what makes these homes and estates the most costly. Let's dive in. Number 5. Wallington Estate. This beautiful home is located in Beverly Hills and comprises 12 bedrooms and 34 bathrooms covering 38,000 square feet. The magnificent house is built on a 5.2-acre piece of land. But how much do you need to own this lavish home? Not less than $85 million US. Sports enthusiasts have their own tastes and preferences when it comes to where they want to spend their time when not in the field. This means that they need a space that is uniquely designed to meet their requirements. This space is Wallingford Estate, which has a private sports complex, complete gym, basketball court, a full-size boxing ring, and a pickleball court. Other amenities include a massage room made of marble-wrapped beams, an in-house sports bar, and a lounge. When you are in such an environment, you can do what you love since the amenities you require are all in one place. Let's say this is your one-stop shop. When you think of the most secure places in Beverly Hills, where your security and comfort are top-notch, Wallingford Estate is your place to be. The newly rebuilt estate is magnificent and has beautiful mountain views. It appreciates a very active lifestyle for sports lovers and is located a few minutes from the BH Hotel and approximately 20 minutes from Van Nuys Private Airport. It has exquisite design, is built with impeccable taste, and is a sophisticated space that infuses style and modern technology. The rooms are magnificent and refined. The property has a caretaker house, guest penthouse, a 2-bedroom guardhouse, a 10-car garage, and a compound that can park up to 80 cars. It has an enormous zero-edge pool with extensive grounds and stunning views. Number 4. 908 Bel Air. This spectacular house is located in Bel Air and has 9 bedrooms and 20 bathrooms spanning 34,000 square feet. It sits on approximately 1.6 acres of land and was built in 2018. The property has a 4-car parking garage and costs $99 million US. The grandeur and elegance that this home exudes are incomparable. This beautiful home occupies a vast space, and the luxury it projects is definitely jaw-dropping. This kind of property is designed for living and entertainment on a large scale. It has top-notch features designed for modern living. What are these top-notch features that we expect to find in this house? It has numerous amenities, including a 90-foot geometric infinity pool, a 29-foot ceiling in the entranceway, a living garden wall, floating glass staircases, a huge bar, wine cellar, marble-slathered spa room, and walls made of glass. This home is created to embrace modern living, hence has to be matched with the finest technology. Number 3. Pierce Brosnan's house. The state-of-the-art house is located in Malibu and sits on an expensive 1.8-acre piece of land. This beautiful home has 5 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms, spanning 12,500 square feet. It is worth $100 million US and features a U-shaped design with an outdoor dining area, beautiful palm trees in sight, and has 117 feet of beachfront bliss. The architecture embraced in building this house is the Southeast Asian style. It took 10 years to build this magnificent home with wide plank teak flooring. The main living space has wall-length sliding glass doors, which look directly to the ocean and open to the rear deck. The kitchen is made of crystal countertops, custom teak cabinets, quartz, and features 2 stoves and 2 farmhouse sinks. Pierce Brosner, the owner, calls the home Orchid House. Number 2. Green Gables. This magnificently beautiful residence is located on Woodside. It has 32 bedrooms, 26 bathrooms, and guess how big the parcel of land this masterpiece sits on? A whopping 74 acres! To acquire this massive home, you need approximately $135 million US. It is an optimal family compound ideal for starting an ancestral home, since it is located on a grand-scale piece of land and is completely private with only a handful of neighborhoods. Despite enjoying this kind of privacy and natural beauty, it is only 20 minutes from San Francisco International Airport, with Stanford University just 10 minutes away. Its location is ideal as it is situated directly adjacent to the most celebrated spot in the world, Silicon Valley. When in such a place, you cannot miss making extraordinary and exceptional memories for generations to come. Green Gables was built in 1911 and has maintained its 20th century charm. It is one of the most expensive homes in California, featuring admirable grounds with mature oaks, wooden trails, vegetable gardens, and beautiful flower gardens. The giant vegetable and flower garden provides a beautiful bounty to the estate, from dahlias and roses for the vases, tomatoes, onions, peppers, and all other table herbs. It boasts of its own expansive reservoir, which helps the estate's irrigation requirements, and has a pool topped with Romanian pillars. The residence is a masterpiece in all aspects and redefines the meaning of ultimate luxury and style. It has extraordinary architecture and elaborate designs embodied in every piece of the design. Number 1. Steve Wynns House. William Hablinsk designed this home in 1994 to exude a classic West Coast appearance and is situated in a very private location. This beautiful house is located in Beverly Hills and sits on 2.69 acres of land. It has 11 bedrooms and 14.5 bathrooms, spanning over 27,150 square feet. This home has a price tag of $115 million US. It is a breathtaking generational residence, and it envisioned luxury on the next level. The construction is exquisite in taste and features beautiful quality lighting. There is a grand double-height entry hall in the main residence, a large dining room, an office or study, and a family room with bar leading to the rear outdoor lanai. There is a primary suite with a second study as well as dual amenities, including a 4 ensuite family bedroom and a house guest with a full kitchen. Now, let's see what else is inside this beautiful and enormous home. A media room, a spa suite, full-service gym, a tennis court, a wine room, staff rooms, i.e. 3-bathroom suite for the kitchen team and 2 bedrooms for the security team, a garage with parking capacity of 4 vehicles, and a pool. This is the most expensive home currently, and it is owned by billionaire Steve Wynn, a real estate mogul. Which is your favorite home from our list of the top 5 most expensive homes in California? Leave your comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.